Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of chopped mixed vegetables, including carrots, celery, and potatoes. Don't forget your aromatics like 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable broth and your favorite seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs, ready to go. Now, let's build that foundational flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large stock pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your minced onion and cook until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic for another minute until fragrant. Next, add your harder vegetables like carrots and celery and sauté for about 5 minutes. Once your vegetables are slightly softened, it's time to add the liquid and remaining ingredients. Pour in 4 cups of rich vegetable broth. Now, incorporate any softer vegetables, such as zucchini or spinach, and your seasonings like 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Finally, let's bring our delicious vegetable soup to a perfect finish. Continue to simmer until all the vegetables are fork tender, which should take around 20 to 25 minutes in total. Before serving, taste the soup and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt or pepper if desired. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro for an extra touch of flavor and color. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.